We move into our hairy vetch section. We've got 3 different types of hairy vetch here. This is appears to be a much longer season hairy vetch. This is one called AU Merit. It was developed at Auburn University. Again, we don't use a lot of this. We're just kind of using it as a comparison in a trial. This one that I'm standing in here is the most common one that we use. It's what we just call our Montana hairy vetch. We have it grown in Montana. It's just a VNS, a variety not stated, but you can see it's very much in full bloom.
Yeah, you might, well, if you can catch them here, there's a bumblebee flying around here, and
You mean the one that landed on your neck?
yeah, oh yeah, that one. You can tell that this is in full bloom, and it has a real attraction to pollinators. This is all your vetch is very, very high pollinator value.
So hairy vetch is the most reliable overwintering legume that you can plant in the fall. It's not cheap because it's a very, very hard crop to harvest. It's easy to grow, it's difficult to harvest, mainly because it's so indeterminate. You see it blooming like this. This will continue to bloom for another 4 or 5 weeks like this if we allowed it. So it's going to have pod set all over the place. Very, very good, aggressive nitrogen fixing crop, and probably the go-to crop for the organic guys to produce nitrogen ahead of a corn crop.
Yeah, and it makes a great, when this gets fully grown, it makes a great mulch. And the mulch is very easy to plant through.
Yeah, and this, my stand here is a little sporadic. Again, I might have been running out of seed when I got down to this end here a little bit, it looks like.
Looks better down there.
Yeah, so, a full, like if you want to do maximum weed control, maximum nitrogen production, you probably need to be planting 30 pounds. Whereas in a mix, we may only put anywhere from 4 to 8 pounds.